If your team's documents live in more than one Confluence space, like ours do, product and support hub, you don't want two people maintaining two separate copies of the same page. Let's connect them. Starting in the product docs, this is our source space. Let's head to the space settings then space. In this page, you just have to create new sync and then name it after the space you're connecting to, not the space you're in. In this matter, let's say Ricksoft product hub to support hub. Add all the necessary configurations from sync comments, sync label, and autosync. Today, I just need autosync. Then click create. And there it is. A new row in the sync space list, named for where it's headed. Not connected to anything yet, just waiting. The status here that says not sync yet tells you that or indicates to you that it's not synced yet. Now, we need to hand this space a token so the destination can trust it. Two ways to do this. Email it or download it. In this case, I'll download it since I'm setting up on both sides myself. Click download token and then download token. It will be saved on your file system. Now, switching over to the support hub, this is the space that's about to receive content. Do the same thing. You go to space settings, sync space list, click import token, and drag and drop the token. Automatically populates the sync name and then the configuration for autosync. At this point, just click import, and that just automatically updates or connects you to the source space. The status here that says active indicates that the configuration is already active. Let's switch over to the other side and see if the source space is already active. And voila, it's active. Now, both space shows each other in their side sync spaced, each one labeled with whoever's on the other end. And that's the connection. Nothing's actually moved yet. We've just built the bridge. Right now, support hub is still empty. Next video will push everything from the product docs into one shot. And that's what you call bulk sync.